Robotics company 1X recently released a demo video of its new robot Neo Gamma, and while humanoid robots are getting more lifelike every day, there's something about this one that feels different. It's not the way it moves, but what it's wearing. Unlike most humanoid robots that sport a more rigid mechanical aesthetic, Neo Gamma is wrapped in a soft beige knit bodysuit. The idea? To blend in with home environments instead of standing out. It's an evolution of 1X's earlier model, Neo Beta, but this version was designed to be more inviting, something you wouldn't mind having in your living room. Even Neo Gamma's depth cameras are designed to feel more familiar, positioned side by side just like human eyes. But Neo Gamma isn't just about looks. It's built to handle household chores like tidying up, vacuuming, and even doing laundry. Similar to other humanoid robots, Neo Gamma is trained using motion capture data, so it can walk with a natural stride, swing its arms, and even squat or sit in a chair. Its hands are designed to mimic human tendons, giving them more flexibility and control for handling objects. While the demo video doesn't mention what the robot can do autonomously, previous videos from 1X have shown its Eve robots performing tasks with end-to-end autonomy. According to 1X, Neo Gamma's knit fabric helps muffle sound, keeping it at about the same noise level as a refrigerator. It also has built-in speakers, not only for voice interaction, but for sound effects and even music. Plus, it has light-up earrings that show when it's listening or talking, kind of like Alexa's glowing ring. Neo Gamma's AI was developed in-house, with backing from OpenAI, the same company behind ChatGPT. This means it can process natural language, making conversations feel more intuitive. The goal? To create a robot that not only helps around the house, but feels more human-like in how it interacts with people. Right now, Neo Gamma is still in the testing phase, so it's not available for purchase just yet. While other robotics companies are focusing on warehouse and factory work, 1X believes the best way to make robots truly useful is by training them in real-world environments around people, pets, and all the unpredictability of daily life. What do you think about robots taking on household chores? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more on the future of robotics, head over to Mashable.com.